Happy fall, everyone! This is my favorite time of year. I seriously thrive between the months of October, November, and December. Let's go pumpkin picking! Can you tell I'm excited? My mom's along for the ride, and Katrina loves to do fall things. Let's have fun!
Rachel, get up!
These two always have me laughing.
Oh, I got some pumpkin here.
Okay.
Gasko Family Farm is the place to be.
Rachel!
Wow, look at these.
Can you imagine? Oh, look at that gauge. This one here.
These are beautiful.
How do you resist getting like 1,000 pumpkins? $3? $3?
Wow.
It's a beautiful pumpkin.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah. It's got a smiley face on it. Unless it just says $11.
It's 11. They write with Sharpie.
Oh my God.
Yep, that's right. This huge, gorgeous pumpkin was only $11. Okay, Katrina, let's do crafts.
What, today? At home, or do they do crafts here?
My mom hears the word crafts and gets a little nervous. It's theirs. Oh, corn. We didn't stop talking about how cute every pumpkin was. I swear, every pumpkin was touched by us. We were laughing by the end of it because we literally were patting every pumpkin and telling them how much we loved them. It was not normal. So then, after we were obsessing over all of these pumpkins, we had to get serious and see which ones we were going to be taking home with us. We were so impressed by Gasko's family farm. The pumpkins were abundant. There were so many different types and shapes and colors. There were beautiful ones. There were fugly ones. We were obsessed with all of them, and the most impressive thing was the price. We picked out our gorgeous girls, and now we wanted to go take a look at the mums. This field of mums seemed like it was never ending. This was amazing. Now for the not so fun part, loading everything we bought into the car. My mom is a master organizer. It doesn't always make everything fun, but she does it right. Katrina got 2 corn stalks for the store, and they were $2.99 each. You cannot compare.
That's a picture.
Build it up. Katrina said it right in the beginning. Gasko's family farm is the place to be. I'll never buy a pumpkin anywhere else in New Jersey, only at Gasko's. October to my people. I hope every day you do a little bit more of what you love.